Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I hope you're going to enjoy our channel today, and if you would subscribe, that would be wonderful, and hit the like button and the notification bell, and always remember to be kind to each other, and have a great day. Hey guys, these are some really easy Easter crafts that if you want to just do some quick ones, this is an easy way to do it. I got these cute little sacks at Dollar Tree. I'm just going to stuff it with a Walmart bag, and you'll see how cute this will just be, quick and easy. And I was going to put this on one of my 3-tier trays, or you can just add it into any of your Easter decorations. You can also fill it with candy and put it in your kids' baskets. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you also wanted to, you could probably add some paint to make it look old if you wanted to on the burlap. I sort of like it clean because if I put it in my kids' baskets, I don't want them to think that it's like dirty or anything. But look how cute that is. Like I said, you can even put some candy in it and put it into your kids' Easter basket. This next one is just a frame that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it this beautiful pink color. I'm going to take it apart first so that I don't get paint all over the glass. So it takes about 2 coats, and I did dry it with my hair dryer because my heat gun actually broke. It actually started smoking, so that wasn't very pleasant. I had to throw it in the trash, so that was a little disappointing. The paint I used was the Cream Coat by Delta, and the color is Bubblegum, because I think I forgot to show you that. I got it at Hobby Lobby. So it's called, I guess, yeah, Cream Coat Bubblegum. Such a pretty paint. And I'm just using my hair dryer. So see, you really don't have to buy a heat gun. Mine only lasted about a year. My hair dryers last much longer. So I think I'm just going to go for the hair dryer. And it took about 2 coats because it was a black frame. Got these cute little wooden rabbits from Dollar Tree. I think it was like 8 in a package. And I'm just going to paint it white. I'm going to get the edges too so you can't see it from the sides. And then I had some black construction paper that I'm just going to cut. I'm lining up the piece of glass so that I get a good fit. I thought about using Easter paper, but I really wanted like a black background just so that the little white bunny rabbit would pop. Now you don't have to put the glass back in. I did, But if I was going to put more, like make it into a 3D one, I would probably leave the glass off, and then you could do different flowers on top of it. But I was just going to put it with the glass, just for something a little more like classy looking. I know the little hole's there, so I'm going to put a little piece of flower in that hole. I'm just going to cut off a little piece and make it short so it fits through that hole. And then I use my glue gun just to glue it down. Now this did fit in with the piece of glass, but if you wanted to add any more like decorations to the bunny and make a different 3D one, I would leave the glass out, because I'll probably do that one to the next one. And then I'm just adding some glue so that the little bunny and the paper will stick to it. And then you're just going to pin it back in. And then I added some carrots to the top. I got these carrots from Dollar Tree. And there it is. It's just something simple and cute. It's not overdone, so it can add some, I guess, some depth to anything that you might do with your Easter decor. You could see some of the glue strings, which I probably should pull off. I think I did pull it off. No, I didn't. But there it is. My lens is dirty. The next one again is just simple. This little glass piece came from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use some of their little glitter vase filler. And I got this cute little chicken at Hobby Lobby. He was $1.50. Isn't he cute? He's like a little furry. So I'm just going to pour the little glitter pieces into this bowl. It's a simple, quick, easy. I'm going to put the little chicken in there. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. You can add anything you want to it if you want to. And I decided to just add a little carrot. You don't have to, but you know, it adds a little color too. How cute is that? Quick and simple. It's a good, like, what, 2-minute craft instead of a 5-minute craft. And there it is in my foyer. I'm getting ready to decorate my table in my hallway for Easter this weekend, and I'll show you how that turns out. Next one is we printed out on my computer, and on my printer we just printed out, my daughter did it for me. I said, can you print this real quick? And she printed out carrots, 25 cents, and we're putting it in an 8x10 frame that I got from Dollar Tree. And this time I'm not going to use the glass piece. And this is another quick and easy. You can pretty much print out anything you want. If you want to put eggs on there, you could put eggs, like Easter eggs, 25 cents. You could put however price you want. And then I'm going to cut it to make it fit to this back end of the frame. So I'm just going to pencil it in so then I can cut it with a pair of scissors. And this is another quick one. Can't beat the quickness of these. If you want to have in a party and you want to do something real quick that doesn't cost a lot of money, this is the way to go. And then I'm just going to cut the edges off so it fits on the back of that panel. Now I realize some people have CRICUTs and you could do it with your CRICUT machine too. This was really quick and easy on the printer though. And it was cheaper too. Because some of your vinyl cost money. So this was just regular copy paper and printing. So if you want something cheap and quick, this is the way to go. I did put some glue on there just so that it wouldn't slip around. And I'm going to put it back in the frame. And then I got these carrots. I'm going to glue some carrots to the front of it. It does look like it's bulging out, but it doesn't. Once you set the frame up, it actually doesn't do that anymore. So I'm just going to glue some carrots onto the paper. I think I probably next time would use cardstock because this was just copy paper. So it was sort of a trial and error, but I still like the way it turned out, and it's still in my hallway, so you can't really tell once it's standing up. So I definitely would probably use cardstock next time, but this was just quick and easy. There's my little rabbit, my little chicken. If you would subscribe, hit that like button and the notification bell, you'll know the next time I am going to upload. So thank you so much for subscribing, and I appreciate you guys. I hope you will be kind to yourself and to each other. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.